She refused his proposal. She refused his proposal.
His mother looks young. His mother looks young. Take off your socks. Take off your socks. It's awfully hot today. It's awfully hot today. Do you see him often? Do you see him often?
Give me a hand with this bag. Give me a hand with this bag. The girl resembles her mother. The girl resembles her mother. I think we had better wait. I think we had better wait. Time flies like an arrow. Time flies like an arrow.
I'm free now. I'm free now. Take it easy. Take it easy. What's your name? What's your name? He has broken the record. He has broken the record. Cheese is made from milk. Cheese is made from milk. The work is now in progress. The work is now in progress. Come to my house this afternoon. Come to my house this afternoon. It rained hard all day. It rained hard all day. This house has 2 bathrooms. This house has 2 bathrooms. Children should play outside. Children should play outside. Do you want to sit down? Do you want to sit down?
He calls me from time to time. He calls me from time to time. I will miss you. I will miss you. He knows a lot of people. He knows a lot of people.
Where should we go? Where should we go? You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. They are my classmate. They are my classmate. What's in the box? What's in the box? I'm afraid it will rain. I'm afraid it will rain. I am tired of reading. I am tired of reading. It's the 3rd of October. It's the 3rd of October. I had breakfast at 7:30. I had breakfast at 7:30. All the doors are locked. All the doors are locked. Once more, please. Once more, please. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. I don't like to speak in public. I don't like to speak in public.
What did the doctor say? What did the doctor say? I caught a cold. I caught a cold.
Did you return home at midnight? Did you return home at midnight? There is a page missing. There is a page missing. I hope to save more money. I hope to save more money. The building was built in 1960. The building was built in 1960. We reached London at noon. We reached London at noon. I'm coming. I'm coming. Who broke this window? Who broke this window? I stayed at the hotel for 2 days. I stayed at the hotel for 2 days. I have just turned 20. I have just turned 20. It is difficult for me to answer the question. It is difficult for me to answer the question.
I got my leg hurt in the accident. I got my leg hurt in the accident. Your temperature is normal. Your temperature is normal. You will get well soon. You will get well soon. The Netherlands is a small country. The Netherlands is a small country. I met him on my way home. I met him on my way home. I hope my dream will come true. I hope my dream will come true. My wife is preparing dinner. My wife is preparing dinner.
I arrived in time for the plane. I arrived in time for the plane. Write your name here. Write your name here. The chili burnt my tongue. The chili burnt my tongue. I have done my work. I have done my work. This makes no sense. This makes no sense. Why are you so angry with him? Why are you so angry with him? Have you ever visited Canada? Have you ever visited Canada? I accepted the job. I accepted the job. Why are you late? Why are you late? I heard someone calling my name. I heard someone calling my name. Black cloth absorbs light. Black cloth absorbs light. I want to go to America someday. I want to go to America someday. What time will dinner be served? What time will dinner be served? I am the first to arrive. I am the first to arrive. Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone, please. My mother is 2 years younger than my father. My mother is 2 years younger than my father. It's unusual for him to get up early. It's unusual for him to get up early.
I have a dog. I have a dog.
Your dress is very nice. Your dress is very nice. This is my cat. This is my cat. Stop crying. Stop crying.
I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion. I finished my homework. I finished my homework.
Good students study hard. Good students study hard. You made a wise choice. You made a wise choice.
Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. He is a good doctor. He is a good doctor.
This is the difference between you and me. This is the difference between you and me. English is easy to learn. English is easy to learn. I studied for 2 hours. I studied for 2 hours.
I have to iron my shirt. I have to iron my shirt. Don't ask me for money. Don't ask me for money. He has always been kind to me. He has always been kind to me. A piano is expensive. A piano is expensive. You are welcome. You are welcome. Wash your hands well. Wash your hands well. I ate a hamburger. I ate a hamburger.
Your bike is better than mine. Your bike is better than mine. Please open the window. Please open the window. I need to get some sleep. I need to get some sleep.
Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher? Obviously he is wrong. Obviously he is wrong.
Get out of my face. Get out of my face. I object to her going there alone. I object to her going there alone. I am used to cold weather. I am used to cold weather.